Elsewhere, Onsite ICF CEO Steve Ross is calling for a review and reduction of some of the levies on construction to help close the house deficit.
Building Code 2024, which was implemented in March 2024 to replace the 1968 local government order, introduced modern building standards, including the incorporation of sustainable building technologies.
The technology itself, with the foam providing insulation, that is a more climate resilient product. Reinforced with rebar and cement, it's very strong. Kenya, you're fortunate not to have weather disasters, the floods, right? I mean, this is a durable, permanent house.
Ross believes the cost of construction could be reduced if some levies on building materials is relooked at and reduced.
So reduced weight on the block, that means you don't have to over-engineer your foundation. The speed in which the walls come up, you're reducing your labor cost by half.
I believe it starts with the customer, to be customer focused. And sometimes, ultimately the customer is the homeowner.
The affordable housing project in Mukuru, Nairobi County is being developed using prefabricated blocks, gas reticulation and energy-saving features.
There is disconnect between where the policy is and the implementation. So we would want that this rolls down to all agencies. This rolls down to everyone who implements housing, because they need to understand that this is part of the policy and this is a system that has been approved. It's part of our building code and needs to be adopted.
We've seen how this new technology, which is ICF, is affordable, it's fast, as Steve had said, and it's also durable. We've had 13 houses built for Nyana Mwido since this partnership started, and we can really attest to the fact that it's a technology that is good for our country.
Alan Auko, Lunchtime News.